Hey creators! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download Adobe Creative Cloud for free on your PC, Mac, or laptop, and access a 14-day trial of the full Creative Cloud suite, including apps like Photoshop, Premiere Pro, After Effects, Illustrator, and more. To get started, click the link in the description below. It will take you directly to Adobe's official page, where you can start your free trial. Once you're on Adobe's site, click Start Free Trial. You'll be able to access the 14-day trial of the All Apps plan, which includes all the creative tools Adobe has to offer. Next, you'll need to choose a payment plan. If you want flexibility, go with the monthly plan. You can cancel any time before the trial ends. If you're planning to stick with Adobe long-term, the yearly plan is cheaper on a monthly basis and saves you money in the long run. You must log in to your Adobe account or create one for free. Adobe does ask for a payment method to start the trial, but don't worry, you won't be charged as long as you cancel before the 14 days are up. I recommend setting a reminder so you don't forget. After signing up, Adobe will guide you through downloading the Creative Cloud app. Once it's installed, you can start using all the Adobe software you need, including everything from graphic design to video editing. You now have 14 full days to explore and test out all the pro features of Adobe Creative Cloud, completely risk-free. Before you go, don't forget to sign up for our newsletter. You'll get exclusive discount codes, the latest tech news, and early access to updates on the best software deals. The link to sign up is below this video. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more software guides and tech tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy exploring Adobe Creative Cloud.